Tim.
Chuck, come get the camera. He's got my damn lure and he won't let go.
Are you filming it?
Trying to. Here, come get it. Come get it. It's going. No. Get over here. Get over here.
Tim,
Let go of my dang lure.
you might have it hooked.
No, the hook's to the back. Look at him coiling around that stick.
I know, I'm trying to watch instead of film.
Got it. Can you? I have never had a freaking snake attack my lure.
Here, see if you put teeth marks in it. Bring it up here.
I can't believe that.
Oh, he's trying to munch it down, wasn't he?
He wasn't letting go now. The damn fish was biting as well as the snakes were.